before, after. Bentuknya melengkung. Seven 7-2. This is what I wear for my face. The cushion from Dior, and this Dior lipstick shade 772. I'm using this shade for a 2 and 2 natural, and this 772 rogue. Yeah, I feel where I'm wearing this cushion, I feel like the texture is very soft, very lightweight, very light foundation. Like I'm not wearing any cushion on my face. Really, I really amazed with the texture of a Dior cushion. You did a great job, Dior. So I feel like nothing on my face, really. Very light. That's why people admire this formula material of a Dior cushion. Yeah, it's proven. I feel it. And for my brow product, in Indonesia it's called secondate, the warm wood. Yeah, it did a great job. Secondate, yeah, really. The brow looks so natural, and the price is so affordable. Amazing. Really proud. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.